Baby birds. That shows Dave a little bird's nest in a tree. See the pretty blue eggs? Asked his dad. A mother bird lays those eggs. She will sit on them and keep them warm. Soon the eggs will break. What will come out? Asked the father. Baby birds, Dave says. Yes, but don't touch the nest or the mother bird won't come back to her eggs. Thank you for listening, and my son will read this story again.
Baby birds. Dave's dad shows Dave a little bird's nest in a tree. See the pretty blue eggs? Asks his dad. A mother bird laid those eggs. She will sit on them and keep them warm. Soon the eggs will break. What will come out? Asks the father. Baby birds, Dave says. Yes, but don't touch the nest or the mother bird won't come back to her eggs.
Thank you.
Thank you.